Some things in our universe are very rare, whether it be a black hole, lightning from above a volcano, or water spouts. To witness these in real life is awesome, and for the majority, it will probably never happen. So sit back, and watch 20 epic and mysterious happenings in our universe. 1. Solar tsunamis. Racing across the surface of the Sun, at around 305 meters per second, or 1,000 feet per second, these magnetic field collisions cause huge tsunamis of plasma, that can sometimes go on for weeks at a time. They happen about every 10 years. 2. A supermoon. 3 or 4 times a year the moon will seem to look brighter, and bigger than normal. This is a supermoon. It happens when the moon is at its closest to the Earth, in its elliptical orbit. 3. A harvest moon. This appears as a huge orange ball in the night sky, around September-October. Farmers relied on these full moons for light, to harvest their crops, before the invention of electricity. There was even a song written about it. Shine on harvest moon. 4. A fire rainbow. When the sun is high in the sky, at least 58 degrees above the horizon, is when a fire rainbow can form. Cirrus clouds, consisting of ice crystals, shaped like hexagons and facing the ground, plus other factors, create a rare colorful arc to appear in the sky. 5. A stacker rainbow. Next time you see a rainbow, look at the violet edge. You will see several fainter bands around the outside. These bands are known as a stacker rainbows. They are caused by smaller droplets of water, and the smaller the droplets, the wider the bands become. 6. Volcanic lightning. When a volcano erupts, and spews out volcanic ash into the air, a buildup of static electricity causes lightning bolts to rip into the clouds. 7. Nacreous clouds. Forming high up in the atmosphere, these clouds are very colorful. They usually form at around 50,000 feet, and at that height, it's very cold and dry. In these clouds, the ice crystals are smaller than ordinary clouds, which creates luminous colors that seem to change when seen from different angles. 8. Fire whirls. Sometimes reaching 1,000 feet, or 300 meters. A fire whirl is a small tornado-looking spiral of wind and flames that are pulled in from fires. This creates a vortex in the air, a burning ash, and flames, and can appear to be a yellow-colored vortex. 9. Penitentes. In the glacier regions of the Andes, spires of ice form over the snowy regions, where the air can be very dry. This only occurs above a height of 13,000 feet, and these spires are known as penitentes. These penitentes can grow from a few inches to a height of 15 feet. 10. Black holes. This is such a powerful gravitational pull that even light is pulled in, and so no black hole can ever be seen. The material, swirling around the hole, on the outside makes the hole visible. Data has been collected, and used by astronomers, to piece together an image of a hole in a galaxy, 55 million light-years away. It was named Messier 87. 11. Water spouts. Water spouts are just small tornado-shaped funnels of air that form over water. They stretch down from storm clouds and swirl just above the water surface. Although they are called water spouts, they normally don't pull in water, just air that turns into thunderstorms, lightning, and hail. They usually start over land, and as soon as they reach water, they turn into thunderstorms. 12. Moonbows. This is quite a rare sight, as it's the beams from a full moon that causes a faint arc, as in a rainbow, but occurs at night. Moonbows are not as bright as rainbows, and our eyes will not see all the colors, as they are not sensitive enough. Although, they are there. 13. Meteor showers. Easily seen by the naked eye, space debris, large clusters of rock, enter the Earth's atmosphere at very high speed. The debris enters on a parallel trajectory, and can be seen, usually after midnight. This happens only a few times each year, looking like missiles going across the sky. 14. Whirlpools. If the current, in a rotating body of water runs into an obstacle, or meets an opposing current, a whirlpool will usually form. Sometimes, reaching speeds of 20 to 25 miles per hour, these whirlpools can be very powerful, and at this speed are called maelstroms. The sound of the rotating water can be heard for miles around. 15. Supernova. Some stars fade away, others end, when they burn out, and explode. These massive explosions are known as a supernova. When this happens, the blast can send matter out into space, at 10,000 to 25,000 miles per second. Of course, we only know this, because of the powerful telescopes available to scientists today. 16. Hypernova. Scientists and astronomers believe that hypernova is the most powerful explosion ever known, and could be 100 times more powerful than supernovas. The cause of these powerful explosions is still a mystery. 17. Ring of Fire, or solar eclipse. This happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. It doesn't quite cover the whole of the Sun, and a bright red ring appears around the moon, but only for a matter of seconds. 18. Fog bows. Another arc-like beam, that is mainly white with a blue arc on the inside, and a red arc on the outside. This usually happens over water, when fog is thin and the faint sunbeams shine through. It also happens over water, when colder water meets warmer air, usually at sunrise, or dusk. 19. Aurora. Also well known as the Northern Lights, when it occurs in the Northern Hemisphere. And is known as guest when happening in the Southern Hemisphere. Fast-moving winds in the upper atmosphere create beautiful colored skies. 20. Katatumbo Lightning. The Katatumbo River is located in a remote part of Venezuela. It runs into Lake Maracaibo. About 160 days a year, lightning continues to flash over the lake at a rate of 250 times an hour, all day. Nobody knows why this happens at just this spot. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and we will let you know about more videos.